It's just packed full of beautiful features, this place.
She had an incredible eye for design.
I imagine this is the sort of property that you have people coming in and just dreaming of owning, is it? It is.
I love buying old buildings and making them look superb.
I think it's an excellent location.
When we came here and we found this place, we just said we've got to make it work.
It feels like one of those boutique-y spa places you go to. There's areas that are totally untouched.
If you really want your slice of paradise, if you really want your dreams, they're not going to just drift along and land on your lap. You've got to go out and make it happen.